Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very inexpensive extension cord. The first thing that we need to do is we need to harvest some wire from something. You can buy it at the store, but you can get something also very cheap. A lot of guys have these vacuums that just run out and burn out, which happened to this one, and there's about a 16-foot cord on here that we can use. The only problem with that is it doesn't have a ground wire with it. It's just a 2-prong plug. If you needed a ground wire, look for a shop vac. Those have the same type of cords, but they'll usually have a ground wire with it. For this one, I'm only going to do some using it for shop lights, so I don't really need that ground wire. If you're going to use it for some hand tools or drills or something like that, I'd recommend to get the 3-prong plug. But this will do fine for some just shop lights. It has a 16 gauge wire on it, so that's nice and heavy duty enough for what we need it for. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clip it off here. Now with this end, we can just expose the wires. So what we're going to do now is cut this sheathing back about 1.5 inches and expose some of this wiring. And then just clip off the ends. I bought a Leviton female plug off of Amazon, and that's what we're going to be using to hook up our end here. So we can just pull this front off. We can stick our wire through the back here. Loosen that up first. Stick it all the way through. And then we can just hook up the inside now. So on this you can see where our ground would go if we had a ground. Our gold will go to our black wire, and the silver will go to the white neutral wire. And our white wire comes over here. So now we have our black connected and our white. So now we can take our covering, pull it up and over. This only goes in one way, and then tighten these back down. And then just tighten this back to hold the cord in place so it doesn't pull out. Okay, there we have it. That's in there nice and good. Alright, this only took us about 3 minutes to actually wire this thing up, and for only the cost of the end, which is about $4 off of Amazon, and I'll post that link below. This is going to be a perfect extension cord to run some electricity to shop lights I have in the garage, and it's super cheap to do so, and I don't have to go out and buy a dedicated cord just for that. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.